Now, news from Rajasthan, where a group of tourists were attacked by goons as they went on sightseeing tour to Pushkar. These tourists had entered a densely wooded area when a bunch of locals surrounded them and attempted to molest the woman who was in their group. The men were also beaten up before they could hear screams for help, and then the goons managed to get away on their motorcycles. We're getting to hear that no arrests have been made so far.
That's good, that's good.
I had to leave him.
You got the worst guy?
I had to leave him, and I was so scared they were gonna come out, man. I was so scared they were gonna
चार फॉरेनर्स हैं, ये पुष्कर में रुके हुए थे। इनका ये कहना है कि आज सुबह ये अजयपाल जी के यहाँ पर जो मंदिर है वहाँ पर दर्शन करने और वहाँ का सराउंडिंग एरियाज देखने गए थे। बाइक पे वहाँ से पुष्कर से चले थे और वहाँ पर कुछ लड़के जो शराब का सेवन कर रहे थे वो इनके साथ चल रहे थे और उन्होंने इनसे वार्तालाप करने का प्रयास किया। तो उनमें से एक लड़के ने एक लड़की का हाथ पकड़ लिया और उसके साथ जबरदस्ती करने का प्रयास करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, जब तक फिर वहाँ से भाग गए। किसी को हिरासत में नहीं लिया गया है। जब तक ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे पास कंप्लीट नहीं आती तब तक हम किसी को हिरासत में नहीं ले सकते।
Okay, let's get in a quick word from India Today's Sharad. Sharad, have the police been able to, question these tourists and record their statement so that, it's easier for them to identify those people who allegedly, had attacked these tourists who were on their way to Pushkar?
Police has just announced that they have arrested one accused who were involved in attacking and molesting the Spanish tourists. But three are still at large, and police are saying that they have started operation to hunt them. But really, it's a shocking thing that this tourists were not only beaten, but they have narrated the story to police that these four accused were trying to rape her, and this Spanish tourist was so shaken and shocked that there is still to lodge FIR. Police is convincing them that they are with them and try to persuade them to lodge FIR. And if SP has to say, if still not ready to file FIR, police himself will file FIR on behalf of them and will start pleading. But yes, one accused has been arrested, and police is saying that they will very soon arrest another three.
All right, Sharad, for now, thank you so much for joining. So one arrest has already been made in this case, and the police are still questioning the other suspects who did attack this couple while they were on their way to Pushkar. Moving on now. In breaking news coming in, the centre is to withdraw its appeal from the Supreme Court against the 2006 Allahabad High Court verdict, holding the Aligarh Muslim University as a non-minority institution.
Footwork correct? Hi, this is Kohli very big. Maintain this, huh? Hi, this is Kohli very